crazy! Winter's coming, and soon it will be harder for birds to find food. To help them, let's feed our fine feathered friends a fabulous feast.
Sweet thinking, Nature Cat. But we'll have to move quickly to keep the feeders filled. Let's do this.
Let's select a level to get started.
The blue jay. Look for blue jays around oak trees. They love acorns. Fill this hanging feeder with seeds to feed one bird at a time.
Onward and seedward!
We need to feed 3 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go!
First, we must... Oh, yeah! Now
Look, here comes our first bird.
While a bird is feeding at this feeder, you can fill this feeder with seeds to feed more of our fine feathered friends. First, we must... Oh, yeah! Now tap the feeder to help them fill it.
Enjoy, enjoy.
You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Welcome, welcome!
You won another acorn! Wow! 3 acorns!
Enjoy, enjoy. Welcome, welcome! Come and get it!
Oh yeah! You fed 15 birds! But we've got more hungry birds on their way!
Let's select a level to get started.
A new bird has arrived! The male cardinal! Check out the beak of the cardinal! It's great for cracking open seeds. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Another feeder! The bottle feeder uses seeds and can feed 2 birds at a time.
We're going to need that to feed all my hungry friends. Tally-ho!
We need to feed 4 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Welcome, welcome!
Excellent! Feed 3 more birds to earn an acorn and get to the next level.
Welcome, welcome!
You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Welcome, welcome!
You won another acorn!
Welcome!
Wow! 3 acorns!
Come and get it!
Way to go! You fed 15 birds! But here come more hungry birds! The female cardinal has come to join her mate. A cardinal likes to eat seeds and fruits. Check it out, a new feeder. You can only fill this flat feeder with nuts and berries, but this feeder can feed 2 birds at a time.
More birds, more feeders, and now a new type of feed. Let's make sure we put the right type of feed into the right type of feeder. They're color-coded to help us remember. Onward and fill the feeder's word.
We need to feed 5 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Welcome, welcome! Welcome, welcome! Enjoy, enjoy!
You want an acorn! You want another acorn!
Enjoy, enjoy!
Wow! 3 acorns!
Enjoy, enjoy! Enjoy, enjoy!
Way to go! You fed 16 birds. But we've got more hungry birds on their way. The female cardinal has come to join her mate. A female cardinal will sing while sitting on her nest. Oh, look, chickadees! And they seem hungry. Black-capped chickadees will hide their food to eat later and can remember thousands of hiding places. Man, oh man, looks like there are even more of our hungry fine-feathered friends. Good thing we've got another feeder.
Tally-ho!
We need to feed 8 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Come and get it! Enjoy, enjoy! Enjoy, enjoy! Come and get it! Come and get it!
You want an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns. You want another acorn!
Enjoy, enjoy! Come and get it!
Wow! 3 acorns!
Come and get it!
Sweet job! You fed 19 birds. But here come more hungry birds. Look, here comes the red-winged blackbird. You can tell a male red-winged blackbird by its black feathers and red and yellow band on its wings. Uh-oh, watch out for squirrels. They'll eat all the food in the feeder if we don't shoo them away.
Yes, yes! Squirrels do like bird food as much as my bird friends. We must do all we can to keep those squirrels away!
We need to feed 10 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! and get it! Enjoy, enjoy! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Come and get it! Not on my watch, squirrel! Enjoy, enjoy!
You want an acorn!
Shoo, squirrel! Enjoy, enjoy! Not so fast, squirrel!
You want another acorn!
Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds!
Wow! 3 acorns!
Shoo, squirrel!
Sweet job! You fed 23 birds! But look, we've got more birds to feed.